Hey guys, John from bicycleboards.shop, getshitdoneproductions.co.uk and Muscle vs Modified Magazine.com. I've just been to Halfords in the UK, in Stevenage. They're fantastic, I can't recommend them enough. And this sprightly gentleman rocked up in this 992 twin turbo Porsche. So, you know, it would be rude to ignore this thing because it is stunning. You've only got to look at it. But you've got Porsche mags, that's clear to see. They look about 20 inches. About 20 inches. What's your name? First name?
Liam.
Liam. This is Liam. He's the owner. I'm not the least bit jealous, by the way. Just want. And it sounds bloody awful. So he'll be getting complaints from the neighbours. But this is the back. Hope you don't rev it up now. It's such a thing of beauty, this. It really is. I think it's about 2017, 2018. I'm going to talk to him about the spec. But if you watch out for Muscle vs Modified Magazine.com, that's Muscle v Modified Magazine.com. Coming out on July 5th, we are going to have hot rods, custom cars, low riders, VWs, tuners, very much now Porsches, and they're going to be featured alongside the Hot Wheels version. So our age ranges from 5 to 85 plus. So thanks for your time, and I'll be back to you again soon. Cheers.